Today in the grain market, soybeans rebounded. There's tensions remaining still surrounding that U.S.-China talks. After the fourth day lower, there was some tech buying that really started to materialize. July was up 10.5 cents. At one point, we got up to 10.44. And then before it moved, and it moved us actually back into the channel that we had been in since early April. Now, July open interest added 1,700 to the call side, but 5,000 to the put side. So it continues to add to more puts than calls in the option open interest. CVOL for soybeans is at 16.8%, with the soybean oil at 37.3% and the meal at 18.5%. Corn today was mixed. The inspections are on the rise, and it's kind of paving the way for more exports. So by moving that should add a little bit of a strength to the market. The July, though, did have an 8.25 cent range. We got up to 442.5 high before all was said and done. But before that, we actually started out with a new recent low to 434.25 and was able to get a little bit ahead of steam to move that back up higher on the day. But for the most part, we just trade on both sides of unchanged. Deferred futures were a little bit higher as well, so that helps down the road. July open interest, though, added 8,900 to the call side, mostly in the 505 calls. So perhaps that becomes more of a target that we're looking for on the upside if we get extra buying coming in. CVOL for corn is at 23.6%. Now, weekly ag options are also continue to rise in volume. So that's really a product that you want to be able to use for hedging purposes. Now in wheat today, that market fell. The improved crop conditions just put some pressured futures to give back all of yesterday's gains. But just keep an eye on the trouble between Russia and Ukraine, because that's always on the table, and that's going to impact wheat around the world and certainly in the U.S. So we're going to be watching that closely. Today, July was down 7.25 cents. We got down to 531.75 before all was said and done. The positive side was we added 4,400 to the call side on July open interest and options. So maybe that's a little bit of a tell going forward. CVOL for wheat is at 26.7%.